Here we have Ashley the chicken sitting in her nesting area. I think I scared her. Just gonna take those eggs. Ran out. Bless you. Dang, he's warm. Just put him right there. Anyways, goodbye. If I am not mistaken, right there. Oh, she's still making noises. She's still going. Now that right there, I'm pretty sure that is known as the chicken song. I don't know, I have never heard one in person. We've only been hearing it from the house. And, we only hear it from the house, and she's still going. What the heck? Don't mind that, I gotta change that out. I just came out here to do some chores, and I just hear this. Like, it was right after she was hiding in her nesting area. Oh, jeez. Oh, there it is. She's still going. I don't know how long this goes on for. looks like she's finally done. Holy crap. That was a lot of noise coming from a little chicken. Yeah. Well, I don't know if I'm right if that was the chicken song, but make sure you comment down below to tell me if it was or was not. And I'll see you in the next video.